Hi. What are you doing? Hey. Trevor. What are you watching? A show?
Huh? No.
You're not watching a show?
Huh?
You're not watching a show?
Huh?
Is it Yo Gabba Gabba?
Huh?
What are you eating?
Mm-mm.
No? Daddy, what are you doing?
Stuff.
Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm about to do schoolwork.
Your pocket's hanging out. You got empty pockets.
Huh?
You have empty pockets.
No.
Yeah, you do. What's that you're drinking? What's that you're drinking? What color is that?
Green.
Very good, that is green. And what are you eating? What are you eating? Hey, what are you eating? Wow, you're no fun right now. Okay.
Yeah, I know, Mommy.
Can you say hi? Say hi to everybody. Do you want to show them that you could play golf?
I want to play golf.
You do? Here you go. Here's your golf.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Can you show me how to play? Come on, let's go over here and play. Okay, can you show me how to play? All right, let's put the things down. What color is this?
Green.
Nope, that's yellow.
Yellow.
Oops, I dropped it.
I got it.
Okay. Can you give me the flags? Let's put the flags in. What color is that?
Green.
It's red.
I get rich.
Yeah. Okay, let's get a ball. We're missing a ball
Whoa.
from when we actually went to the driving range last night.
Right here.
We lost it. Okay, and get your club out.
Right here.
What color is that one?
Green.
Very good.
Green.
Are you gonna hit the ball into the yellow now?
Okay.
You do it. All right. Oh, it's going under the couch. Bye, ball. Oh. Let's get it. Can I see your club? Let's see if we can get it. Can we see it? Nope. It looks like it went far back. There it is. Mommy got it. You say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're gonna hit it under the couch again? Oh. You're doing it. Oh. Oh. Why'd you do that? You know how to do it now? You know how to get it out? You did it. Great job.
I got it.
Yeah, you did. Oh, so this is the new game. Hit it under the couch and get it out. I think it's over there. It's over there. Yeah. All right. Oh, Daddy. He hit it under the TV.
Okay, come and get it. Don't touch anything else.
Oh,
You want me to get it?
Yeah.
other balls.
Give me the glove,
Please.
please.
Dang, Daddy.
Oh, Oh no, it's under the couch.
Yeah. Let me get it.
Okay.
Let me ball.
It's over there under the couch.
Oh. I need a ball.
Huh?
I need a ball. I need a ball.
Dad, you can't get it? You want mommy to help you?
Up
Oh,
there.
you did it. Now it went under the other couch. It's under there.
Huh?
It's under there.
I need a ball.
Who knows what you're going to find under there? I think I hear it.
I need a ball, Daddy.
Yeah, I see.
Ow.
Right
You
here.
hit mommy with the club.
They have. Wow.
You got it. Oh,
Daddy. They have. Oh.
it's right there though. I can see it.
I see it.
You see it? Oh.
Oh. Daddy.
Can you tell me what your name is?
Daddy, let me get it.
Trevor.
How do you ask for something?
Please, ball out.
Okay, can I have the golf club, please? Now talk to mommy.
Can you tell me what your name is? What's your name?
Daddy.
What's
No.
your name? Hey, who is this?
I shower.
All right. And how old are you?
The ball.
Trevor.
I need to do it.
Hey, Trevor, how old are you?
2.
Very good. Can you count for me? Uno,
2,
dos,
3,
tres,
4,
cuatro,
5.
cinco.
What's next?
Let me get it.
Cinco.
We got the cinco.
Hey, ball. Give me.
Sorry.
Excuse me, Daddy.
Hey, ball out.
Say goodbye to your feet.
Feet.
Can we count in English?
Back.
1, Trevor,
Hey, I'll get it. You can break it.
Trevor.
The ball.
Can you count 1?
The ball out.
Okay, you have to be careful. You're gonna break it.
Say Daddy, help please.
Please.
Okay, can I have the golf club, please?
Okay, Trevor.
Okay, I get it. Go talk to mommy some more.
1. Can you say 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
4?
4.
What's
I
next?
got it.
4,
It's come.
What's after 4?
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
7. More. 7. Trevor. Trevor.
And the ball out.
Okay.
What's after 7?
There you go.
What's after 7?
The ball right here.
Yep. 7.
Trevor.
He's distracted.
I know that.
Hey, Trevor, you want to sing If You're Happy and You Know It?
Yeah.
Okay, sing. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You gotta clap your hands.
What is that? Pop your tongue? Trevor's gonna be
out.
the next Trevor Woods.
Nah.
Be nice. Okay, Trevor. 7. What's after 7?
Out. It help.
We're not getting past 7.
Help what?
Help me.
What's after 7?
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
17.
7, 13.
Wow.
That's as far as we can go. We can make it to 7, 13.
People out.
Okay, Trevor, can we say goodbye?
Look at this. Say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, Kayla.
Okay, say I love you.
Love you.
Look over here. Hey, I love you.
Love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow a kiss. All right.